In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a side lunge onto a Bosu ball. So this is harder than just your usual side lunge because you've got balance and proprioception that's going to be tested a lot more because we're doing the side lunge on an uneven surface. So when I bring my foot in contact with the Bosu ball, the one that I'm going to be lunging out with, that's going to mean that I've got to stabilize the uneven surface of the Bosu ball before coming back. So before we even come into doing this on the Bosu ball, let's just take a look at the principles of a lateral or side lunge to begin with, and then we'll pop this Bosu ball into the mix. So what I want you to do first is I want you to bring your feet directly facing forwards. So both of your feet, like train tracks, facing forwards. Then from here, you're going to decide which side that you're going to be working your lunges with. So for example, if I'm going to be working my right side, I'm going to bring my right leg out. And if I'm going to be working my left side, I'll be bringing my left side out. So in this example, I'm going to show you my right side. Now I've got my hips and my shoulders facing forwards, and I'm going to keep them facing forwards as I lunge out. Watch the position, however, of my right ankle when I do so. So my right ankle is everting out as I come into my side lunge. However, my shoulders and my hips are still facing forwards. So I'm not coming into this kind of position. I'm keeping the body forwards, but my ankle is slightly pointing out. Now, second cue, I want you to look at what my hips are doing. Now on the camera, this is easier for me to do from the other direction. So when I'm in this direction here, what I want you to do is watch where my hips go. They're going to go to the back of the room and diagonal, so they're going to come out. So as I do this, I'm now bringing my hips back and then using the power, bringing my feet back into their original position. So watch the hips again. I'm bringing the hips back and I'm bringing them down at the same time. And this is the cue that's really important when we start to work your single leg balance on this Bosu ball. So now we've got that uneven surface that we're going to be working the balance on that right leg. What's really important is we get the foot in the right position. So when I lunge out, I want my foot to be bang in the middle of this Bosu ball. If I get it wrong, let's say I'm here, the Bosu ball could slip, because I'm not applying that downward pressure, I'm applying pressure to the side, which might skew the exercise. So it's really important that we bring the foot bang in the middle of the Bosu. If you're worried about it at all, just pop the Bosu against a wall or something like that's not going to move, fixed resistance object, so you're getting all the benefits of a side lunge without the risk of it slipping. So all we do now is exactly the same cues. I'm going to bring the right foot out, bang in the middle of that Bosu ball. I'm going to be pointing the foot out slightly. My hips are then going to sit back and into the side of the lunge that I'm doing, in this example, my right side. So this is how we would then do a side or lateral lunge onto a Bosu. Now, once you've repeated all your repetitions and sets on one side, do exactly the same on the other side. That's how to do a Bosu ball side lunge.